I think that some people would describe man's best friend as not overly intelligent, intellectually challenged, in fact. And those people would not be far from the truth. Oh, and if you didn't know, man's best friend is a dog, not another man. We quickly abandoned our species. They just stole way too many girlfriends. Dogs don't do that quite as often. You know, a lot of those same people who talk so badly about the dog's brain would probably also say that the man's brain lacks a few things. And, you know, I don't think that that gives guys the credit that they deserve. At least we don't drink out of toilets right after they've been used. And a very select amount of guys will ever lick their bottoms in public. And, you know, we shouldn't judge the masses based on the actions of a few. That was said by some famous person, I'm sure. And, you know, when me and my dad are playing catch, the fake out throw does not work nearly as often as it used to. But, you know, it's not like the dogs got it easy. I mean, sure, they get to sleep whenever they want, and they don't have school or taxes or really any responsibility aside from barking at cars. But have you tried dog food? I mean, not that I have, I'm just imagining how it might taste based on, you know, how it looks and how it smells. And you can't tell me that dogs don't know better than to just eat it. People do not easily refuse a crust of bread to a good pair of puppy dog eyes. But even after having delicious human food, they still go back to their food. I mean, it just seems like by now they would have striked or something. But seldomly do I ever see a herd of dogs protesting in the lawn, holding signs and gathering up food bowls for a bonfire. But you know, man overlooks all the flaws that the dog might have, and he sees it for what it really is. Not a cat, and thus worth hanging out with. What am I talking about? I kinda like cats. I love cats. I love every kind of cat.